Welcome to Nash Community College. I'm Angie Bennett. I'm a broadcast production technology, advertising, and graphic design student. I'm happy to be graduating, but I'm not looking forward to leaving Nash. Let me explain. As a non-traditional student, I have a unique perspective. I guess you could say that Nash is a really big part of our family. You see, I have the experience of being both a parent and a student. All 4 of my children attended Nash before I did. NCC has been a cornerstone in this community since it opened its doors in 1967. The quality of education you'll receive here at Nash is second to none. You'll find a diverse student body and caring faculty and staff. Nash is much more than just another option to further your education. There are programs for college transfer, vet tech, electric line construction technology, cosmetology, advanced manufacturing, automotive technology, health sciences, and many more. With so many programs of study to choose from, Nash Community College is a great place to start your new career path. Another reason to choose Nash is its low cost. Scholarships and financial aid opportunities are available. The Nash Community College Foundation works very hard to be able to raise funds to offer scholarships to students. I've served as an NCC Foundation Student Ambassador for the last 2 years. As an ambassador, I was awarded a scholarship and have had the privilege of representing Nash at numerous events. It's an opportunity and privilege that I'll never forget. Thank you for allowing me the opportunity to tell you why I chose Nash. Whether you're a recent high school graduate or a non-traditional student, Nash has a program for you. Call today to schedule a tour or visit www.nashcc.edu for more information. There's a place for you here at Nash.